Now this is showing you ways to create PDFs directly from Acrobat. I'm going to go ahead and minimize Acrobat for just a moment, and I'm going to open up Excel. Now let's magically create for ourselves an Excel document. Here is our Excel document. Now if you take a look towards the top, here are our customary Excel toolbars, but look here. Here's one you may not be used to seeing. When you installed Adobe Acrobat, Acrobat enabled other programs that are compatible to work with it. So the first icon here will convert to a PDF, convert to PDF and send for review, or to start a meeting, which we'll touch on a little bit later. Now suppose you're in Excel and you really would rather have the extra workspace as opposed to this toolbar being here. That's fine. You can just go up to View, Toolbars, and see you'd be able to remove the toolbars right from here. But we're going to go ahead and put our Acrobat toolbars back in. And we're going to go ahead and convert this to a PDF. Now notice it wants us to save before continuing. Yes, we're going to do that. That's a fine idea. Save it on the desktop and call it Excel to PDF. And go. Now it's asking us to confirm if that's the same name we want once we changed it to PDF. See, the first time we saved it as an Excel file because we hadn't given it a name in Excel yet. That's Acrobat's little way of making sure that we don't accidentally lose our data in Excel while we change it to a PDF. Little security, always a good thing. We're going to save. And as you can see, Acrobat opens up and we have our spreadsheet as a PDF. And we still have it as an Excel document as well. Now we're going to close this, and we're going to close this. And once again, we're going to shrink Acrobat, and I'm going to open up Outlook. I'm going to look in my mail. So now here I'm looking at a piece of email. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now if you look up at the top of Outlook in the menu bar and go all the way to the end, notice that Adobe has added a menu option here. I want to convert this email to a PDF and give it a name. That's a fine name, I think, and save. So think how convenient. Think of the possibilities of being able to save email as Acrobat files.